Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have OPPO Watch X3 and today I'm going to show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. Basically, if you're bored of the current watch faces or the default ones, you can always download something else, apply it, and hopefully it will help to spice your watch up a bit and make it more visually appealing rather. So let's get started. And you can download additional watch faces in two ways on this watch. The first way is to use the OHealth application on the phone that is paired with your watch. That's the easiest way. And basically you can open the store there, download something from there and apply it quite seamlessly. It's not that hard. The other way is to use the Google Play Store on the watch, because this is the Wear OS watch. So you can basically use the Play Store and you can download the watch faces from the Google Play Store. The difference between them is that for the Google Play Store, you need to have Google account signed in on your watch. So you need to basically use your phone to sign into the Google account on your watch. And also you need to have an internet connection to download the watch faces. So that's the things you will need to use the Play Store on the watch. And I'm going to show you both. So first, let's start with the OHealth application. You can open it on the phone that is paired with your watch, go to the device, and here you have this watch faces option under the category called My Faces. We have watch faces. This opens the watch face store. You can browse through this store, look for something you enjoy, and once you find the watch face you like, you can tap on it, then tap on apply, and it will start downloading, installing, and once it's done, it will be applied on your watch. So let's wait. And here we have it. The watch face is applied, as you can see, and it will appear right here on the list of My Faces. So you can change between them normally. Also, if you run out of space for the watch faces, you can always tap on Edit. Here you can tap on Edit again, and you can select the watch face you want to remove. So basically, if you want to free up some space, you can remove some watch faces, then tap on the bin icon and remove it. And once you remove some, you can install additional watch faces again. And if you want to use the Google Play Store to download additional watch faces, like I said before, you need to have a Google account signed in on your watch. And to do it, you go to the settings, find the option called Other and tap on it. And I believe here you have a Google option. Yeah, find Google, tap on it, and then tap on Accounts. And as you can see, I have an account added already, so I'm good. But you can, if you don't have an account, you can tap on Add Google Account. On the phone that is paired with your watch, you will see this pop-up right here. If you tap on this icon, and basically you can select the account you want to sign into on your watch. And once you tap on Continue, it will sign in. And then if you have the account right here on the list, you should be good to go. Of course, I also recommend to connect your watch to Wi-Fi network to download the stuff. And once you're done, you can open the Play Store on your watch. So let's open the menu. My bad, I kind of got confused a bit. So to open the menu, we can press the Chrome button, then find the Play Store icon, tap on it, and by default, Play Store will look something like this. You have this main page of Play Store, and you can browse through it. I recommend to find this banner saying browse for watch faces, tap on it, and it will bring you to the category watch faces, and you can browse through different watch faces right here. So look for something you enjoy, then tap on it, and if you decide to install the watch face, you can tap on Install. It will start installing. Some of the watch faces require permissions you will need to allow, but you will see the pop-up on the watch, and basically you can allow the permission there. Let's wait until it's done installing, which might take a while, so I'm gonna come back to you once it's done. Okay, the watch face is done installing, and some of them you will need to tap on Open, allow the permissions, and then we can set up our watch face, and we have option to apply it by tapping on it. And it should be applied, right? Yeah, it is applied. But if you want to customize it a bit further, And these watch faces, some of them have like ability to install the watch face also on your phone that is paired with your watch. And basically, once you install it there, the app, you can basically customize it a bit further. I didn't tap on install on the phone, so I can open the app, right? Because yeah, it will install as an app. For some reason, some of the watch faces do that, and you can tap on it to open the app, swipe down, tap on install on phone app, install it, and once you install it, you will be able to customize it a bit further. Some of the watch faces do that, some of them are just normal watch faces that you can just apply. So you will find different types of watch faces there. And as you can see here, we can open this app. I'm gonna skip it, and we can go through this, and we can customize our watch face a bit further. There's quite a lot of options, probably quite a lot of ads as well. Can we skip this? Okay. Let's say if we can change the color, for example, to something like this, and apply it. Will it change? I don't know if it changed anything. This menu is a bit confusing to me, so bear with me. Oh, here we can change the color, right? Yeah, so let's change it to something more defined, like this. Save, apply. Okay, and let's see if the dot changed on our watch face. Doesn't seem to be changed. Do we need to apply it somewhere else? Oh, we need to tap here, send to watch. Okay, and now it's sending, and the settings should be applied. This dot should be red. For some reason it's not, but let's change the hour arc maybe to the different color as well. Maybe this will be more visible, like this. And now let's send it to a watch, and let's see. Hopefully this will work. Okay, this one worked. So as you can see, you can customize your watch a bit further. You can download additional watch faces in this app as well, I think. But there's a lot of ads in this stuff and stuff like that. So I prefer the other watch faces when you just download them and install them and you have them on your watch without any app. But we have two types of watch faces, unfortunately. Okay, and that's how you download additional watch faces on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.